Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. I'm continuing with my salad recipes today. I'm making a Waldorf salad. This is a beautiful crunchy salad. A Waldorf salad got its name from the Waldorf Hotel in New York. A chef made it for a charity ball in the 1890s, so it's quite an old salad. It's changed a little bit. Nuts have been added to it since then, so the traditional one just had apples, celery and mayonnaise. This is a beautiful recipe, so please do give it a go. I'm going to start with the dressing first. So in here I've got some mayonnaise, full fat mayonnaise, 75 grams. And into here I'm going to add in some crème fraîche. You can use Greek yogurt either. It's full fat too, and I've got 3 tablespoons there. I'm adding, for flavour, this is optional, a half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a little bit of salt and pepper, and we're going to mix this together. Great, set this to one side and grab a large bowl. Starting with my apples, I'm using 300 grams of pink ladies. You can use a mix of green and red apples if you want, so a nice sweet one and a tarty one like Granny Smith's would be nice too. So cut them into chunks, and just to stop them from going brown, I poured over 2 teaspoons of lemon juice just to keep them nice and white. So add them in there. I've got some celery and I've chopped it, sliced it nice and thin. 100 grams of celery and 150 grams of red grapes. I've cut them in half. They're seedless one. You could use half red, half green as well. And now for my walnuts, you can use pecans either, and I've toasted these slightly. By toasting them, it brings out the flavour a bit more, so get them all in there. Just going to mix all these together. And I'm going to get my dressing in now. Get it all in there. And we're going to fold everything in. There you have it everyone, a lovely crunchy Waldorf salad. Cover with some cling wrap and place it in the fridge for at least an hour before you have it. It really does make a difference chilling it to the flavours and everything. Try it out. As I said, if you've never had Waldorf salad before, why not just give it a go just once, and you might be pleasantly surprised and it might become one of your favourite salad dishes. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me a comment down below if you try out the Waldorf salad and let me know what you think. Happy baking everyone. See you all soon and enjoy. Bye bye.